sunny na da-da-da. Papahirap sa'kin. Thank you for watching. Hi, Eric. Thank you, Eric. Thank you, Eric, so much. Where are you from? Thank you for likes. Thank you for the likes. Oh my God, what happened? Oh my. Thank you so much. But I can't. I can't. Please. Thank you to those who watching. What? Thank you, 18 people in the house. Hi. Oh my God. Maybe I need to remove this na kasi hindi na sumusunod sa galaw mo. From America. Hi. Hello from Poland. Hi from Poland. From India. Hi. Shout out to you guys. From America, from Poland, from India. Jaya from India. Thank you for watching. Baha 7. Thank you. 19 people. Thank you so much, Shirley people. Hi to you. I'm from St. Lucia. Hi from St. Lucia. Hi. Thank you. Hi, Muda. Hi, Muda and Johnny. Hello. Hi, sis. How are you? Thank you for the likes. Darknet. Hello, Darknet. Hi, Biglan. Thank you so much, Biglan. Hi, how are you, Biglan? Like and subscribe, everyone. Thank you, Biglan. Thank you so much. Hello there. Hi. Thank you so much for watching. Goldenrod. Hi, Goldenrod. Thank you, Biglan. I'm good, my friend. How are you? How are you? I'm fine. I'm good too. Yes. Where are you from, Goldenrod? I'm from Philippines. Saan ka dito sa Pinas? Goldenrod. I love you, babe. Where are you from? Zikan. Laguna. Ah, okay. Nice to meet you, Goldenrod. From Laguna. Hot weather here. Darkness. I'm from Holland. Ah, okay, from Holland. Nice to meet you. From Holland. Nagkaon na yan? Loto. Ha? Ha ha? Bibang. Oh, thank you. Ah, we're in the Philippines. I'm just here in the Philippines. Thank you so much. I love the stuff, sweetie. Hi, Sir Darrell. I am going to the Philippines. Why are you going here in the Philippines? You have a Filipina, something like that. Filipina jowa, something like that.
Tapay daw.
Yes, may tapay yung babing. Gusto mo tapay? Yay! Parang ka dito, kaputo mo si mama, matapay ko. Gusto mo ba? Gusto ba daw? How many children? One. I have one kid. so sweet. Yes, thank you. Oh, you have a man? Yes, I already have a man. I'm engaged for getting married soon. Mwah!
Papay.
Oh, papay. Kato na kay, give mo man si mama mo. Sabi mo, mama, may papay. Ikaw. Kato na. Kato na ka, mama. Dali ka, mama. Dali ka, mama. Give mo kay mama. Tapos sabihin mo kay mama, magbakal tinapay. Kaya ang pambakal. Oh my God, nagirihi ngayon. Nagirihi ngayon si daddy mo daw. Karga ko. Nagirihi ngayon. Luso na. From Turkey. Karga ko. Bagalugod ako nagirihi. Attila Palasi, hi from Turkey. Hi, thank you for joining from Turkey. Mustafa Oxaz. Hi, Mustafa Oxaz. Papahirap sa akin. Palm oil. Why palm oil? Tonkai kunai. Hi, Tonkai.
Okay, no. Hey Ali Jabu Biskay. Hey Ali Jabu Biskay. Hi. Ali Jabu Biskay. Hello. Thank you for the 10 people in the house. Thank you so much. I found a love for you. I'm just there for you. Thank you, 6 likes. Thank you so much. Who's gonna be your man?
Thank you, 11 people. Tagsin ko lang ga, bakal ka pandesal. Bakal ka pandesal. Ira. Oh, ito lang. 30. Thank you, 15 people. How are you guys? Thank you sa likes. Sana all. Oceans apart, day after day, and it's lonely. I hear your voice on the line, but it doesn't stop the pain. I see you next to never. I promise it's forever. Wherever you go, whatever you do, I will be right here with you. Whatever it takes, only heart breaks, I will be right. Patag mo dito. Thank you, 11 people. Thank you so much. Oh, can't you see it, baby? You got me going crazy. 'Cause wherever you go, whatever you do, I will be right here with you. Whatever you do, oh, honey, yo, oh, can't you see it, baby? Now get me going crazy. 'Cause wherever you do, I will be. Thank you sa likes. Thank you sa nagla-likes. I will be right. Thank you so watching. Thank you sa nag-larking dyan. Most of those my kwan. Shout out to my fans, most the haters. Shout out to you. Thank you for the effort watching my live. Thank you. Hi, Mystic Mirage. Thank you so much. Rita, read your post. Don't worry about other people. Just be happy and enjoy your life. Thank you, Mystic Mirage. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Mystic. Thank you. People say that I need to ignore negative because I think it's normal having a negative comment. So that's why I need to I need to ignore. No, that's right. Thank you, Mystic Mirage. So that's why nobody's perfect. So that's why. Get me going crazy.
Wherever you go, whatever you do, I will be right here waiting. And whatever it takes, thank you, 7 people in the house. Thank you so much. Wherever you go. Thank you so much. Maraming nag-lurking. Thank you so lurking. Hi, Sir Quiz. Hi, Sir Quiz. Good morning. Good evening to you, Sir Quiz. How are you? Thank you to those hit the likes. Thank you po. Just go on. Oh, hi, Satorshan. Hello, Satorshan. Thank you, 16 people in the house. Thank you so much. Thank you to those hit the likes. Thank you, guys. Da, 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 do, 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 do. And I thought I would be right for you. I just can't compare you with anything in this world. You're all I need to be here forevermore. Thanks, I'm okay on the couch after dinner. Okay, po. Have a nice day, Sir Chris. Thank you for joining. Thank you. Ang babait. La 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 la, Maharani, did you? And thank you so nagla-likes. Thank you so those for liking. Thank you so much. Hi, Japs Mafia. Meh. To those liking, to that concern, yes, I have a foreigner, fiance. We're getting married soon, so that's why I having a even on TikTok when I posted on TikTok, I have negative comments about me and my future husband, my fiance, because he's, I think he's older than me, but not, the our age gap is fine. So, but
I'm not an underage, so I am a legal age na. So, hi Sir Bell. Nice day, Sir Bell. So, having a negative comments about if I just want my partner, fiance, something like that. So, if you're having an issue about that, maybe just I'm doing live. Sir Bell, I'm doing live po. Thank you so much for the 10 people in the house. Thank you. I'm excited to our marriage about my future fiance because I will show you how I love my man. Let's see, because a lot of Filipina having a foreigner scam by a Filipina. So maybe these my haters think I'm the one of that a Filipina because a lot of Filipina having a foreigner they scam by a Filipina. So let's see. But this is the the for me how I show my love. Back, sorry, got a text. It's okay po, Sir Bell. No worries. Don't pay attention to any negativity. Just think about your big day. Yes po, Sir Chris. Thank you, Sir Chris. Thank you so much. So that's why. How are you doing? I'm doing live. Nice to see you. Nice to see you to hear, Sir Bell. Thank you, Sir Chris. They don't know how I love my man. If I love the man, I purely, yes, purely I'm a loyal partner. Let's see the sorry. Thank you to those hit the likes. Thank you so much. Yes, thank you, Sir Chris. I will show you the people how I love my partner. Before because how I sacrifice, how I give up everything to choose my partner, something like that. They don't know how I sacrifice what I choose my partner now. Cheryl, ignore the haters. I know it's hard not to, don't give them power. Yes po. Thank you, Sir Bell. Thank you. Yes. I don't allow people change my
who I am because they're trying to pace me off. They're trying to get mad, but no, even I'm not the revenge. The revenge for me is not my. That's not my one. That's not my. The revenge for me is not part of my attitude, something like that. I don't like the revenge. Maybe the revenge is from the karma, but they did happen to me because some did bad happen to me. Something wrong with them, but they doing bad things by others, not from me. So let's see. Thank you so much, boss. Thank you, Sir Chris. Thank you, Sir Bell. Thank you for your positive and kind advice. Now I know you are a good person, good friends here on my YouTube world. Wait lang po. Good for you. Thank you, Sir Bell. I will pray for them they're having a peace of mind and their mind and their heart, maybe God, because they're having a hates. Oh my God, a lot of hates in their lives, so much hates. My God, so toxic, jealous, hates. Some of them are jealous and hates crazy. Oh my God. Hi, life is a mystery. What do you do find mysterious? Hi, Sir Alan Bell. Life, yes, life is mystery. Sometimes you're facing hydrants or problems now, but you're doing, you stay humble and stay kind. God always good all the time. You get a lot of hates, yes. Suddenly, on TikTok, oh my God, not hate, but not hate, negative comments. Not hate, but negative comments, most foreigners, because me and Mike having a age gap. Not, I think not hates po, just negative comments. But someone trying to piss me off, Sir Bell. Someone said, what if I scamming Mike, something like that, or I'm just using mic, blah blah blah. So that's why she having an scenario in the future, something like that. So from the past, I never scam anyone. Oh po, yes. So it's fine. Their opinion is their opinion, different from what I'm doing. That's why I said you deserve to be happy. Just focus on your happiness in your big day. You and Mike got this. Thank you, Sir Quiz. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Sir Quiz. Sir Bell. Yes, po. But I think all my, even I'm young, when I'm young, something do bad things to me about something like that. Just I distance myself. I let them negative comments about me, but when too much spreading misinformation, like my personal life, and they are the limit, the boundaries to spreading misinformation about me and my personal life. I will break the boundaries. I will go to the right process to break that, because I don't like trash talk here on social media. I want the process, legal process. I'm going to the legal process because if trash talk here on social media doesn't help. If I confront her, hope The having brave for me is spreading information. The having brave, the having brave is spreading information about me, so that the challenge them, hope the having faced their hope, the having a brave face, uh, if I confront them by using my spreading information about me. Mike is going to leave you in the Philippines, right? We plan, but we have lots of plan. Like I'm going to. We have our plans. Me and Mike having a good plans in the future. If either we live here or we live in the America, it depends on the situation. That is so sad to hear that po. Yes po. Yes po, Sir Bell. But I guess I don't lose trust or care. So that's why if I'm explaining, I just something like that. First, before the issue about me is I it's a very big deal that I am speaking not English, not good in grammar. My English is poor. They something like that. But now they're trying to piss me off about my dignity as a Filipina having a foreigner boyfriend. So that's if she have a proof, if she have a proof that I'm doing that to my future fiance, I need her the proof that, because I want the legal process to face this the consequences in the future, because I don't like spreading fake news here. I don't like spreading fake news, misinformation. I hate liars, and I hate also the scammers. Someone, because Mike having a my Mike having a bad experiences and the other Filipino. That's why I'm not there at that time. So sure, you be strong. Yes po. That's why. Yes po, Sir Bell. I need to face this if it's getting more and more. So I need to want to shut this. I think she's all. I think this there are people there behind my back, fighter. They're also strong. So hope they are strong of facing what is the consequences in the future. I hope, because they are so brave, spreading like using my false. She's spreading mis information about me, spreading like judgment, very judgmental me. Yeah, something like that. Her scenario not yet happened. Me and Mike not yet. Uh, we are in a relationship. We have a planning to get together. So we're still in a relationship. I want to fix this. Um, this is spreading misinformation about this happen. But because I hate lies. I hate lies. I lied, but I know I lied. I'm not perfect. I lied, but if I do something to the person, I say sorry. But this person, this never claim that she made a they made a mistake. They're proud of their doing bad. So let we see the consequences. The English will get better you more you speak. I don't have a problem with it. Yeah, the foreigner said, like most American, the my English speaking English is no issue about you po.
But here in the Filipina, some of the Filipina or Filipinos very what do you call this, judgmental, very perfectionist about the speaking English, something like that. But a lot of foreigner, they don't mind if I speak English well, or as long as they understand what I say, something like that. Thank you for, I know the lurking me here, so po, you take care. I need to go to sleep. Hang, I'm there. Okay, okay. Thank you, Sir Bell. Thank you so much. Thank you for joining me here. See ya, LRB. Sir Chris, his name po is Sir Bell. He's a good friend po. He's also an American. Thank you, Sir Bell. Take care po. Good night. Sleep well. Always take care. Stay healthy. God bless you more and more. Something like that. You deserve to be blessed because uh, you sharing your blessings to the others. Not, I remember you sent me before. Yeah, I remember. For my father's or birthday, I think, for my birthday. Thank you so much. I'm not right, I'm not right. You got my sub, LRB. Thank you, Sir Chris. Thank you so much. Thank you from Sir Bell. Thank you, Sir Bell. In my life, I needed you. Look up at the sky.
Mama. Mama. Uli ya. Terus paulit bro. Ulit mama mo. Oh, gendong na. Dali. Dito na mama. Bye.
I feel so happy being lonely. Thank you, 10 people in the house. Thank you so much.
so high. Thank you to those who sending the hearts. Thank you so much. Thank you sa heart. Thanks a lot. Thank you so much. Thank you sa nag-larking. Thank you so much po. Life a mystery. Good morning, love. Gosh. Good morning, love. Gosh. Thank you for joining. Thank you so much, love. Why love, gosh? Your name. I feel so happy being around you and I
Ay, namatay. Dapat po siya.
Hala, what is that? Oh my God, what happened? Come here. Oh, what happened there? Hi, Gerald now. Hi, Gerald now. Come here, come on. Oh, katapay mo. Nagkain ka ng tapay? Ha, nagkain ka? Nagpapakatapay? Nana? Okay na kami yun na, babo. Nagpalit ka na diaper? Papalit ka na kay huluson ako. Ano po ko ikaw didi huluson ang diaper mo. Impalitan na ni mama mo ang diaper. Nakata na kayo papalitan na ikaw diaper kay kang gawin ikaw ni Wawa. Yung kiss mo Wawa ka mo na. Kiss mo Wawa. Oh, samad. Ang samad nga niya. Yung kiss mo Wawa. Aday. Kiss mo Wawa. Kiss mo Wawa. Kiss mo Wawa. Aw, 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 duwawa na. Lalo, baby. This is my grandniece. My niece, daughter. She's my grandniece. Our Mike daughter, charot. our future Mike daughter, diba? We love Mike and me. We love to taking care of Baba. Yes, my grandniece. I love kids. My heater thinks I have lots of kids. That's why she said I'm using Mike because I am a single mother and support how I support my kids, something like that. She said kids. She didn't know about me. That's why she is spreading misinformation about me. My God. What the thing. So that's why when I noticed that, oh my God, what the heck? What? You see that? It's just so funny. Spreading misinformation. Say hi, Sir Chris. Hi, Sir Chris. Hi po. Say hi. Say hi, Chris. She wonder because she wonder because I'm doing live here and she watching my other lives. Something like, where do I look? Sir, say hi, Sir Chris. Say hi, sir. Joke doon. The camera is here. Say hi, Chris. Hi, Sir Chris. Oh, something. Boom, boom. Hey, buddy. Say hi, Chris. Flying kiss ka kay Sir Chris. Flying kiss, Sir Chris. Flying. Ha? Mimi, ikaw. Kuha na, Mimi mo. Kuha mo, tapos magkani ka, Didi. Tapos ang diaper mo. Botogo na ang diaper mo. Jay, ubaan na nadadali ka sana ka mama. Puno na iniho ka nadali ka po. Tapos magbalik ka Didi. Okay. Kato nadali. She's my grandniece. A lot of kids here. They are my nephew, my nieces because I love kids. So that's why my hater said how I support my kids, my children because a lot of kids are oh my god. They have their own parents. They can't feed them. They're busy working. They're busy. Their parents are working. Something like that. I can support my kids. My God. Because I have one, so. So my hater is Kwan. Very nice. Thank you, Sir Chris. Morning po sa nagdun. I am from Texas. Hi Richard Saunders from Texas. Thank you so much for from Texas. Shout out to you, Sir Richard from Texas. Texas, USA. I never believed in love. Oh, wow. Magpanti ka. Kuha dito panti dali. Sinayay. Kata na, ayaw, bad dyan. Kata na, kuha ka na sinala dito. Kata na ka na, ano kita. Hmm? No. Ha? Thank you pa. Thank you sa nagla-likes. Thank you sa likes. Are you single? I need a nice woman. I'm not single. I'm engaged, Sir Richard. I'm engaged po. Engaged. I'm getting married soon po. There's a falling down, falling down, falling down, falling down, falling down. Good luck. Yes, thank you, Sir Richard. Yes, thank you so much. It's the wedding in June, not in June. Maybe we're planning, Sir Chris. We're planning this year, so not yet date, but this year we're getting married, Sir Chris. We're getting married this year. Pretty soon po.
We're planning. I'm alright. I'm alright. I know that you're wrong for me. Gonna wish we never met on the day I leave. I brought you down to my knees. Okay, didn't mean to rush it. Yes, not no need to rush as long as we having a plan po. No need to rush as long as we didn't have plan to be together because need preparing the papers. Uh, we need preparing me not yet marriage, first time getting married. So Mike uh, also I get has already the has already prepared the papers for the wedding. So maybe we are getting married in America and here also, something like that. Circus. So just planning. The planning is we live together, something like that. It takes time. Need to be patient. So it's fine. I'm willing to wait. We need to wait. The perfect time is good. The best. Perfect time is the best. A great best of everything. Yes, post request. Perfect timing is the best. Don't rush. Rush is, I think, yeah, the consequences. Something like that. Not ready. When time is right, it will happen. I'm having a one. This is the exactly right, yes po. The packet Wi-Fi. Because this is packet Wi-Fi. Mike bought me this. Even I'm not yet open. So maybe later when I need to exactly the how to drive the motorcycle. I'm going to beautiful places here in Bicol. Then I'm doing live there. You will, I will, and I will want that. Well, the beautiful places here in ano. I will make. I'm doing live, something like that. Beautiful places here in Bicol. Thank you, 8 people. How are you? Gotcha. Thank you. Thank you, Circus. Yeah. This is expensive packet Wi-Fi. 7 something. I think. The link. Nano SIM cards. All the authorization. Support reverse rolling. High speed 5 internet. Kuya Dre Vlogs, morning Jollibee. Good morning, Kuya Dre. Good morning po. Is it, is the mess there? Is the mess? What do you mean? Is the mess there? The mess there. I found a love for me. I didn't just die, baby. I found a boy, beautiful and sweet. Oh, I never knew you were the someone waiting for me. We were just kids when we fell in love, fighting against all odds. I know we'll be alright this time. This darling, this whole night. Thank you, 16 people in the house. Thank you so much. God bless. There's gonna be I found a love for me. Falling this that waiting. Thank you, 11 people. I need to ask my nephew about that. Magayon niya din ako na wifi, pocket wifi. Binakalin ni Mike sa Legazpi.
Mahal na?
7. Yan ko palang gagamitan in cash. Pwede yun sa bulod ha.
Oo.
May diretso na ako na yung power bank.
Nice speed. 30 support to this trading.
Maski, pwede maski nano.
Nano SIM.
Nice song. I recognize it.
Nano yan?
But
Nano SIM?
have no idea who sing it ha.
May SIM card na yan?
Wala pa mabaka. Maski nano ko nung nasim.
Ibutang mo na SIM card dita. Ang bakalo mo puro may 5G para magamit mo
Ang 5G. Dapat may 5G na nakabutang ha.
5G na SIM card. Yung mga 5G na SIM card. Sana po.
I found the love. Me too. I know the song but I don't know how to sing that song. The singer.
Pwede
Kumusta po? Greetings from Colorado, USA. Hi, William Warren from Colorado. Ha? Ano?
Reverse charging daw eh.
Abang nagagamit mo, pwede mag-charge pag nalubat.
Ano yan?
Karalat na ha.
Uy! Ito talaga.
Ano yun? Thank you for the like, Sir Warren. Yes, and sila nagbaudan tayo na naglatot. Baudan mo si mama mo. Baudan mo si mama mo. Baudan mo yan. Baudan ko.
Ano tawag mo?
Baudan mo si mama mo. Nalani mo ka mama mo. Paluin ko sa mod. Tapos na ano pa?
Lugpohon ta?
Lugpohon ta?
Lugpohon? Oo.
Abayay siya. Bata.
Sige, go! Wala ako.
Palayason pa si mama mo, palayason ta.
Palayasan ko, hindi na magbalik dide. Sigurado ka? Hindi ka mahibi pag pinalaya si mama mo? Sigurado yun? Hindi ka mahibi at? Malayas na. Malayas na si mama mo.
Pili ka na.
Sabi mo, palayasin si mama mo. Malayas na si mama mo. Palayasin ko si mama mo. Pagsabi ka, oh, dira ako.
Oy. Parang pag-ibig lamang.
Nalang sabi?
Kaya mong mabuhay ng bala ako. Dumating ang tulad mo, tarantado.
Saan na-realize? Saan may na-realize about sa relationship? Tarantado.
Tarantado.
Hi! You're welcome. Thank you, Sir Warren. From India. Hello from India. Sir, sorry ma'am. Why? Okay.
Parang biro lamang.
Nag-ano ka na, babang? Nagmahaw ka na?
Dumating ang tulad mo.
Thank you.
Gusto mo ba?
Oh, ako gusto. Wala na iba.
Sarap pa.
May sarap pa ba? Ano ba yung saan pangalan? Cashew ata ini? Ay, ano ba yan? Ano, may inaano? Ay, diri! Ito na inaano dati ni ko Impaporot si pa. May pangalan din, di bang cashew pala. Nalimot ako.
Kamuta.
Sa France mo yun, sa dilig.
Pupurot mo na.
Oo, impapurot mo.
Napupurot lang yan?
Kaya nagtatakdag yun. Tapos minsan iyuyug-yug sa ng puno.
Amo yung mismo ang bunga.
Oo.
Bagan lansones kung pag ano.
Dire, ano siya tapos, parang nag-irirag na siya tapos matakdag na lang siya. Kaya man, yug-yug sa diyan, ano, para magkarak. Hello, little one. Say hi, say hi. Hello. Say hi.
Mama, tita, parang gatas.
Parang gatas nga eh. Buksan ko? Sige na, buksan ka.
Ako tatat ko lang. Buksan na ako. Tapos ko lang sarap.
Okay na yun na.
Ay, mama. Tita, gusto. Parang pili yati, tita. 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 Parang pili. Parang pili yati, tita. Dapat nag-order kita. Ma-order kami ni mama. Pero pa may kwarta na kami na mama. Ay, yati, tita. Oh, ang ano niya. Ay, tito.
Babang, kali gusto? Nuts ini.
Tita, 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 ang gugurita naman ilog sa diyo. Gugurita.
Dire ano yan, crack talaga ini nira. Crack talaga ini nira. Yeah, babang pili. So cute, yes po, so cute.
Nalilibong ako na. Ano yung isa, no?
Well, I will be 58 next month. Okay. Happy birthday po, Sir Warren. Advance happy birthday po. Thank you. No worries, Sir Warren. Hi Alvarez. Hi Sidiki. Shabans was. Hello. It's kinda a bad day for me. Why? Why a bad day for you? What happened?
Because my mother passed away a few days before my, oh my god, sorry for you. Sorry, oh my god. My deepest condolences po, Sir William Warren. Hi, Sir Donnie. Hey, Cheryl. No problem. It's live. Yes, it's live. Yes, po, it's live. Hi, Sir Donnie. Thank you for joining.
Si Daddy maliit yun.
What do you call this? Doorbell. Dance spoon. No children. Oh, I am a divorce, victim to be 58 years old. I'm living alone, no children. Oh, why? What happened? Where are you from, Sir William Warren? Where do you live here in the Philippines? Are you a Filipino po? From Colorado, USA. Okay. From USA. From Colorado, USA. You looking for a Filipino wife, something like that, Sir Warren? No children. Why? What happened? No children. Hi, 10 people in the house. Thank you so much. 27 likes. Thank you, 13 people. Do the high fever. My mother said, the doctor said I would never be able to have, huh? Due to the high fever, my mother said, the doctor said I would never be able, okay, the effect when you kids, when you were young. When you're young age, the effect, that's why you didn't having a baby, something like that. Maybe you can adopt baby. You taking care until baby, until you can like treat the baby like your own kid, something like that. Gab, paluwayan mo, nakalight tabi ako. Gabriel. Gabriel, di kasing kaano sa ano, kay bungol ka na. Paluwayan mo. It's the right Miss Filipina woman came along. It's good for me to have a Filipina. You already meet a Filipina, Sir Warren? You already meet a Filipina po? If she has children, it's okay. You already meet a Filipina, Sir Warren. Maybe you need to be careful about meeting a Filipina because some of Filipina, I talk some on here. So, the advice for you, Sir Warren, some Filipina, they are single mother, but they are living and having a living partner, and they still getting married, living with her. That's what I should. You need to be careful about talking to a Filipina because some Filipina greedy, greedy, selfish. This they said they are single mother, but they live and uh, but they are still in a relationship. Some decided the couple decided to come foreigner to raise their kids because they can't afford to raise the kids having a good life. I like the dark Filipina, sweet woman like you. Uh, like the dark. You like what you call this? Morena. My color skin is morena, Sir Warren. Ah, yes. You need to be careful. You will find a genuine, a loyal Filipina. So, much better uh, if you visit here in the Philippines and you need to more each other, something like that. You need to meet the family, the friends, something like that. Because if just talking online and just spending money online, sending money that a Filipina and not yet met, you need to be careful about that. You can spend the rest of your life with your Filipina if you find out that she's the truly one. She's good Filipina. Having lots of Filipina good, but some are crazy. Bad Filipina is camera haters, hates, liars. It remind me asking, what is your age? I'm getting old na. I'm getting old na, Sir William Warren. Jollibee, please say hi to Jella Marie. Kuya said, Jay said, how are you? Okay, I will tell her. Kuya Jay, my age po is 41. 41. You not old. I'm 41 years old. Sir Warren. I will be 58. Okay. Nice. Happy birthday to you. Advance happy birthday, Sir Warren. Happy birthday, Sir Warren. Gamer, hello. Thank you, Sir Dwayne. Oh my God. Thank you, Sir Dwayne. Thank you so much. I am tall, dude. You tall? My future hobby, toots. Who's tall? Good morning, young lady. Hi, Sir Dwayne. I am tall. What is your height, Sir William? What is your height po? Thank you, 10 people in the house. Dangerous. Yes, I'm 6 feet and tall. Oh my god. Very, big man. You're a big man, sir. Thank you, Sir Dwayne. Thank you so much, Sir Dwayne. Dangerous, dangerous. Also, my hubby. He's a tall. He's a big man. Something like that. Damn, my dad was 6 feet, 6 feet 6 and 3 foot tall. Oh my god, so big, so big. You're a big man. Filipina, Bicolana. Yes, my mom and dad passed away. Oh, sorry for you. Condolences, sir. Sir Warren. Condolences po. My dad passed. I came from a military family. Wow, also my hubby come from a military. What is your job, Sir Warren? What is your job, Sir Warren? Well, yeah, my condolences and prayers to you to the loss of your mother and father from Sir Dwayne. Thank you, Sir Dwayne. I work a lot of different jobs, but I used to work in the oil field, but no more work for me. Okay po. Oil field, okay. Why are you looking for a Filipino at age of 58? It will be good for you, sir. But in other country, I think they also have good women. I think not only Filipino are good, but some are because some foreigner unlucky finding a Filipina, something like that. Yes, I have heart problem, back problem, and arthritis. Oh, my father is having an arthritis, something like that. That's why he can't do anything now. He's on the bed. And where are my bloodline is Irish, Scottish, German, and Cherokee. Oh, wow. That's good, Bob. I have hazel eyes color. What means a hazel? Like a brown, something like that. A brown eyes. Hazel eyes color. Brown eyes po. At sa habang buhay ay tayong dalawa. Thank you, 6 people in the house. I mix with green with brown. Ah, okay. A green mix with green with brown. Thank you, sir. William Warren. I'm having a work. Maybe after lunch I'm working po because not good work for me. I and depends on some of the different colors of clothes I wear. My eyes will change color to certain colors. Ah, okay. Nice color. My future husband is a blue eyes. Blue eyes. Me, I'm black. Like me, I'm a little brown. My eyes is a little brown, black. A little brown. Just something a brown. My eyes is like a having it's like a brown. Yeah, something brown. Yes, hi public fan encounters. I'm fine. How about you? Your eyes are dark brown color. Yes po. Ha, thank you for the gift. Thank you for the super chat. Thank you po. Thank you for the gift. Public encounters. What color are your... No. No. Hi, Mehmet. Oh, thank you for the gift. Thank you so much. Thank you, public encounters. Okay, if you want to the bottom of my feet, maybe you will kuhan. It costs $100. The bottom of my feet, it costs $100. My God, expensive. I'm still here. Thank you, Sir Dwayne. Watch out, Jollibee. Hi, Kuya Dre. 2 million pesos, yeah. Something like that. My feet is expensive. I love my feet.
Sorry ko public encounters. Is your future husband American? Yes, pa. He's an American. My future husband. He's an American. Oh, yes, pa. We love each other. We're taking care of each other. Our relationship is getting stronger. We love each other. Truly in deep sa apa daw daw ako gab pa ay daw. Tapi rin eh.
Who's there? Shrek?
Yes. Labot ko daw. Parang naman ko ng joke.
Kaya din na.
Pwede lang ka na naman. Wala di ho kami na sila. Thank you so much. I give the donation for the church here, the youth camp. So that's why. Share your blessings. Yes, my great father was in the Civil War, and my family fight all the wars to the Afghanistan war. Oh my God, really, po, Sir William Warren. And my dad served in the South Korea and Vietnam wars. Wow. William, thank you for your family service in the military from Sir Dwayne. I felt broke. Dwayne, you are welcome from Sir William Warren. When I was in high school, I told my mom I wanted to join the special courses, my mother's only male child, and she told me that I would not join because she would find a way to stop me. Oh my God. Your mother loves you so much. That's why taking care of you. That's why your mother, Sir William, that's why protective mother. She's a very protective mother. Are they your children? No. No. A lot of kids here. A lot of kids here and are my parents know. But the kids here, the kids here are my nieces, my nephew, my niece's daughter, my niece's kids, something like that. I love kids. Yes, I love kids.